Hello friends, welcome to our channel, Magnum Education Buzz. Let's start the video.
Hello, kids. Welcome to our fun learning time. Today, we will learn numbers from 1 to 10 along with their spellings. Are you ready? Let's go. This is 1. O-N-E. 1. One apple. O-N-E. 1. One apple. This is 2. T-W-O. 2. 2 bananas. T-W-O. 2. 2 bananas. This is 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. 3 balloons. T-H-R-E-E. 3. 3 balloons. This is 4. F-O-U-R. 4. 4 flowers. F-O-U-R. 4. 4 flowers. This is 5. F-I-V-E. 5. 5 stars. F-I-V-E. 5. 5 stars. This is 6. S-I-X. 6. 6 cars. S-I-X. 6. 6 cars. This is 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. 7 balls. S-E-V-E-N. 7. 7 balls. This is 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. 8 ice creams. E-I-G-H-T. 8. 8 ice creams. This is 9. N-I-N-E. 9. 9 kites. N-I-N-E. 9. 9 kites. This is 10. T-E-N. 10. 10 candies. T-E-N. 10. 10 candies. Yay! We learned numbers from 1 to 10 and their spellings. Let's say them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, kids! Clapping hands, don't forget to practice every day. See you next time. Bye-bye. Waving hand.
Please like the video and subscribe for more. Please like the video and subscribe for more.